Hello everyone, David Cook with D'Franco Painting Wallpaper, and you can see we've got some cabinets sitting here. Guys were prepping yesterday, but we found one mistake that was made. So there's a couple cabinets, you can kind of see those little bumps are. So even though they cleaned them when they primed them, they didn't get in that little nook and cranny. So you can kind of see, let me get my knife here, here we go. So I don't know if it's going to focus on, there we go. So it's going to focus on that, it's grease that's actually in there. So there was one more down here. I kind of played with it already, but just to kind of show you, just because we're cleaning them, sometimes we miss a spot. So they'll have to come in here and redo it. But it's more, it's actually like grease and oil, cooking oil. So it's 3 of them that we missed. So they'll be going back and have to clean them out one more time, and then I'll go through and spot prime them with an oil primer, because I know that's going to be an issue. The other one was there. I kind of scraped that one out already. And then we had one more door. Let's see if I can find it. Here it is. You can definitely see on this one. So this one is a garbage door, like the opening from, garbage. The garbage drawer. I can't think of a better way to say it. So we just got a shipment of stuff, so I'm out of room. So you can kind of see yesterday I started digging some of that stuff out. You can see some of that funk that's still in there. You can definitely see it right where my knife's at. Oh, there we go. Right there. So we'll take a scour pad and come back in here and get this stuff out. Normally we scrape this out with a razor, but you can see how easy that's just coming right off. So there's a ton of oil and debris that's in there, and you can kind of see it. See if it'll focus on the knife. It's not going to focus on it. There we go. But you can kind of see the oil, but when I put it on my finger, it's definitely just pure oil and grease. So that's one of the things we'll have to work on today. If you've got questions on working on your kitchen cabinets, give us a call. Let's just see. They're here. They're going to start working on these doors. Let's just see how we can help you out with your kitchen cabinets.